I hope you're shuffling this playlist and getting a lot of practice in. Right, if you haven't paused your video and try another one, describe the process that allows every body cell, I'm going to underline that, that's a word we commonly use in class, in a multicellular organism have identical genetic information. So body cells, identical. I'm thinking this is talking about mitosis. Process is mitosis. All right, let's check out the choices. DNA is replicated. That happens in the S phase. Let's draw the cell cycle here. I draw starting it up here in class. I'm gonna just switch it up here so you get a different view. Let's start down here. All right, so this is what's the first phase in the cell cycle? That's G1, followed by S phase. That's where DNA is replicated, and then G2, Cap2, right? And then all of that is known as what? That's known as interphase. Interphase. All right, and then here is where you would have cell division, either mitosis, if it's a body cell, that's what we're talking about, or meiosis, which produces sex cells or reproductive cells. That's not what we're talking about because it's asking you body cell right here. All right, so choice A, DNA is replicated. Well, yeah, that's called semi-conservative. That happens here. Then separated into two cells, two daughter cells. That's mitosis. Mitosis makes two identical daughter cells. A looks good. All right, let's check out B. DNA is replicated. Yep, it has to do that to make identical, more copies of DNA. Then it separates into four cells. No, separating four daughter cells describes what? Meiosis. Meiosis makes four daughter cells, gametes, and they're all different. So B is not correct because it's not describing gametes, it's describing body cells, and they're identical. Right, and mitosis does that. All right, C, organelles are replicated. That happens in G1 phase. Organelles are copied, but that doesn't explain why daughter cells are identical. So copying organelles doesn't mean the genetic information is going to be identical. It's identical because DNA is copied identically in S phase, and that's called semi-conservative. I keep mentioning these very important terms, so you get multiple exposures. All right, so that happens in S phase. DNA is replicated identically and then separated through mitosis identically. So answer is A.